Welcome to this guide on activating and using Autopilot in the Tesla Model Y Juniper. This video covers the setup, key features, limitations, and best practices for using Autopilot effectively. We'll focus on the Model Y Juniper's updated hardware and software, ensuring you understand how to leverage its driver assistance capabilities safely and responsibly. By December 2025, Autopilot integrates the latest full self-driving FSD supervised software, version 13.2, which builds on V12's advancements from 2023 to 2024. Before using Autopilot, ensure your Model Y Juniper has the latest over-the-air software update. Access this through the Tesla app or the in-car touchscreen by navigating to Controls, then Autopilot. Enable features like Navigate on Autopilot and Traffic-Aware Cruise Control. The system requires initial camera calibration, so drive at speeds over 25 miles per hour on highways for 20 to 30 minutes to accurately map surroundings. To activate Autopilot while driving, press the Autopilot button on the steering wheel, marked with a car icon. This engages traffic-aware cruise control. For Navigate on Autopilot, pull the right stalk twice. A blue visualization appears on the screen, indicating that the car is maintaining lane and speed. The Juniper variant includes Tesla's latest Autopilot Computer 4 with 12 cameras, ultrasonic sensors, and radar for redundancy. Autopilot is an advanced driver assistance system classified as Level 2 autonomy. It assists with steering, acceleration, and braking, but requires constant human oversight. The Model Y Juniper pairs Autopilot with FSD supervised, aiming for Level 3 to 4 capabilities in supervised modes. This allows hands-off driving under specific conditions. Driver supervision is crucial, with alerts including visual, audible, and haptic prompts to ensure the driver intervenes when necessary. Autopilot is not suitable for all roads or conditions. You should avoid using it in poor visibility situations like fog or heavy rain, where sensors may not function properly. Construction zones present unpredictable conditions that Autopilot cannot handle safely. Always take over manual control in these areas. Uncharted areas lack proper mapping data for Autopilot to operate reliably. Disable the system when entering unknown territories. Autopilot has speed caps at 85 miles per hour on highways and enforces 5 miles per hour limits in certain areas. It may disengage on sharp curves or when lanes are unclear, requiring immediate driver intervention. Tesla enforces mandatory disengagement at complex junctions where Autopilot cannot navigate safely. Additionally, regulatory scrutiny remains high due to ongoing Autopilot-related issues, so always prioritize safety. Always keep your hands near the wheel, utilizing the hands-on detection feature. Stay alert to traffic conditions and be prepared to intervene immediately if needed. Practice using Autopilot in low-traffic areas first to familiarize yourself with its behavior. For Juniper owners, consider enabling Smart Summon for parking assistance, but test it in open spaces initially to ensure safe operation. A Juniper owner reported Autopilot successfully navigating a highway merge during a lane closure, avoiding a potential collision. Conversely, a fatal crash occurred when Autopilot failed to detect a truck turning left, highlighting limitations in low-light conditions. Tesla uses anonymized Autopilot data to simulate scenarios improving FSD. User communities note reliability on interstates, but frustrations on rural roads. Experts emphasize that Autopilot is not a self-driving car and urge drivers to treat it as a tool, not a replacement. Statistics show Tesla claims over 5 million vehicles with Autopilot, logging vast driving data for continuous improvement. While Tesla reports a low intervention rate with FSD V13, requiring driver input only once per 1,000 miles. NHTSA data indicates fatal crashes involving Autopilot, highlighting ongoing safety concerns. A AAA study found many Tesla owners multitask while using Autopilot, violating safety guidelines. Use Autopilot responsibly and stay informed about its capabilities and limitations.